We're going to look at the complex number system. The first one, complex numbers are a combination of real and imaginary numbers. For example, I have 1 plus I. 1 is a real number. I is imaginary. The second one, imaginary numbers are numbers that are expressed when taking the square root of a negative number. For example, the square root of -1 equals I. Real numbers, a value of a continuous quantity that can represent a distance along a number line. Most of you are used to all real numbers, and they range from negative infinity to positive infinity. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as fractions and whose decimals will repeat and terminate. Irrational numbers cannot be written as a ratio of two integers or as fractions, and decimals do not terminate or have a pattern or sequence. An example of an irrational number is pi. Pi is 3.14156, and it keeps going. Go back to the rational number. An example of a rational number is 3/4 or 0.75. All right. A terminating decimal is an exact value, such as 0.25. Repeating decimals have a repeating pattern or sequence. For example, 0.333, and I'm going to put a bar on the 3 to let you know it keeps repeating. Integers are whole numbers that are positive or negative. That can be 1 or -1. Whole numbers cannot contain fractions or decimals. Whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. Negative numbers are on the left side of 0 on the number line. So this is my number line. 0's here. So -1, -2, -3. And if you see the direction of the arrow, those numbers will continue in that pattern. Natural numbers are our counting numbers. They, such as, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. 0 is not a whole number, and it is considered neutral. Take the time to look back over these. You're going to complete the practice that is on the back.